Welcome to a very special Unpacked. Why can't laptops be more like smartphones?
We're bringing what people love most about their smartphones to create a more open and collaborative world.
Amazing collaboration between Samsung, Intel, and Microsoft.
The premier computing experience delivered by Intel Evo-powered Galaxy devices.
We're integrating Windows even deeper within the Galaxy ecosystem.
Introducing the all-new Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360. The thinnest and lightest clamshell design, industry-leading AMOLED displays. It's as thin as your smartphone and weighs about 1 kilogram.
All in a flexible 2-in-1 form factor.
Super AMOLED display
and 5G connectivity.
13.3-inch and 15.6-inch.
Incredible performance, 11th generation processor, built on Intel's Evo platform.
Dolby Atmos audio technology.
Fans designed to optimize airflow. Of this super slim battery, 20 hours of video playback, super fast charger.
We needed a Galaxy craftsmanship at its finest.
The Galaxy Book is designed to make Samsung innovation accessible to everyone. Slim bezel, 11th gen Intel Core processor, Galaxy Book Odyssey. It's a perfect match for gamers about to embark on their wildest adventures.
From smartphone to the tab, watch, buds, and now the Galaxy Book.
Easy to transfer your data and device settings. Continuous experience across your Galaxy devices. Sync to my Galaxy Book in seconds. Edit and apply filters just like you would on your smartphone. You can use your Galaxy Tab to duplicate or extend your PC's display. Quick Share makes the sharing process easy and painless. It's our solution to help you quickly find your files. SmartThings is all about helping your devices work together.
Galaxy Book Pro will be available starting at $999. Galaxy Book Pro 360 will be available starting at $1199. You can also meet the Galaxy Book from $549 and the Galaxy Book Odyssey from $1399. The new line of Galaxy Books will launch on May 14th.
So there you have it. The Galaxy Book Pro, Galaxy Book Pro 360, and the Galaxy Book.
And I hope you will enjoy
New standard for computing.
Anywhere, anytime.
Galaxy brand is changing the world.